Hey guys, it's Reebox here, and today we'll be playing Bedwars solos with voiceover. Let's get started. Alright, so I just got into a solos game. So normally for bed defense I get about 24 iron and 4 gold for endstone and wood. So most of the time this bed defense works, so that's why I always use it. Alright. Up here. Oof. Alright, there we are. Alright, so we're gonna build to blue. So yeah, let's go. So I don't know what blue's doing, but I can just hit him off. He's gonna basically die right here. Oof. I'm just gonna place random blocks and hoping that he won't hit me, and he did. Alright, attempt 2 of killing blue. Let's go. Hopefully he hasn't purchased anything to enhance his PvP skills. Alright, he did. But I should be able to kill. Oh wow. Alright, so I bought a few things. I bought iron armor, stone sword, and knockback stick. Ah, he made me trap. Ooh. Oof. Oh, come on. I'm gonna try block tap him. What is he doing? Let's block tap him off. Wow, what? What on earth? Ah, got him. Cool. Alright, that took quite a while, so now I'm gonna go get, Gray's bed is... Oh, Gray's gone. Is Pink still there? Pink's gone also. Alright, so I'm just gonna go to Blue's neighbor. Alright, so we're going to green. Alright, so I can see green right here. And green doesn't have any armor, so this should be an easy kill. Get him, get out of the game. Alright. Just gonna quickly get his bed before he gets me off. Come on. And we got him. Nice. Okay, let me just store this stuff away. Alright, so we got yellow is dead. And we only have white left. So I'm pretty sure white is next to yellow, so I'm gonna bridge. Nope, it's next to aqua. So I'm gonna bridge to aqua, so then I could bridge to white. Great. Wow, amazing. Okay. That is so good. Alright, I'm running. I'm not trying to die. Oh, wow. Alright. Come on, get off. Yes, okay.
Bruh.
Nice. Come on.
Mining away. I don't know what to mine on my.
Alright. It's the only chance. I gotta be extra safe here. Okay. What is he doing? Oh my god. Please don't kill me. Oh my god, thank god. Alright, so I can make the run. Oh my god. Please don't get me. Yes, okay, good. Alright, I have to knock him off. This is my only chance to kill him. my god, what is he doing? Alright, I'm running. Alright, I have nowhere to go now. Come on. Alright, GG. This is attempt 2 of winning a solos Bedwars game. Let's go. Alright, so same bed defense as last game. Alright, so I'm gonna quickly go rush blue. Let's go.
Bruh.
Wow, amazing. Okay, attempt 2 to bridging to blue. Alright, so I think blue saw me already. So I'm gonna try hit him off. There it is. Oh, nice. Okay, so I'm gonna bridge to green since blue's already done a bit of bridging. Okay, someone got my bed for some reason, but I have to kill green. I'm gonna run inside and quickly heal for a bit. And hopefully get this guy. Got him. Alright, got his bed. That was pretty easy. Now I gotta try survive without getting killed because I don't have a bed. But I should be able to get him. Alright, cool. Alright, so I don't know what's happening, but I think yellow's throwing the fireballs. So hopefully he doesn't throw it at me while I bridge to him. Oh, that was lucky. That was really lucky. Alright, I should be able to knock him off. Just knock him off right there. What is he doing? And there he goes. Alright, I need to build up and stop the water. Okay. Now I have to knock him off again. Should be easy. Right there. Okay. Let's go. Alright, there we are. Now I just knock him off with my knockback stick, and there we are. Okay, so now we need a bridge to Aqua, I think. So Aqua's right there. So let's start bridging. Wow, Aqua's a really bad bed defense, and he doesn't even have armor. And he's already at emeralds. Alright, he doesn't know. Easy bed. Now I'm gonna go ahead and kill him. Alright, I'm gonna leave him. Oh, I should get some emeralds. Okay, so I got 15 emeralds, and now I'm gonna go try pearl to white with my emeralds. And also get diamond armor and diamond sword. Alright, so I'm gonna pearl there really fast. Yes. Let's see how this goes. Got him. Alright. Easy bed. Hopefully he gets blocked. No, he didn't. Spawn. And got him. Alright, easy. Okay, now we gotta figure out where Aqua is. Oh, he's right there. I can't really go get him because I don't have any more pearls, which is bad, and I don't know what he's doing. Okay, he's bridging over. Alright, got my fireball and easy win. Or not. Alright, this one should count. Oh my god, I missed him. Wow. What is this guy doing? Well, I think he's dead. I don't know what he's doing. I don't know. I don't think he has... Okay, whatever. He's dead. I'll fall off with you. Cool.
Mining away. I don't know what to mine. I'll mine this anyway. In this Minecraft day, so beautiful.